Students, today we are learn business service insurance. Subtopic we are learn today types of insurance. Types of insurance, there are the three types of insurance: life insurance, marine insurance and fire insurance. Today we are learn life insurance. First meaning, it is a contract between insurers and insurers whereby the insurers agree to compensate the insurers a certain sum on the expired of certain period or on death, whichever is earlier for a consideration. It means life insurance is a contract between two parties, insurance company and policy holders. The insurance company agreed to compensate the policy holders a certain sum on expired of certain periods or on the death, whichever is earlier for consideration. It means of the life insurance policy. Another ones we are learned today here, types of life insurance policy. Types of life insurance policy, they are the first types of life insurance policy, whole life policy. Whole life policy, under this policy, whole life of person is insured. Full life till the insured cannot receive money from insurance company till he is live. After is there that get the benefit for their nominees. The rate of premium is normally low. The money become payable on the death of insured person to the nominee or the legal heirs of the deceased policy holders. It means whole life policies is policy of a person is insured. The persons are insured. So, XYZ person are insured. The insured cannot receive money from insurance company. XYZ does not receive any money for insurance company till he is live. The rate of premium is normally low to compare for others policies. The money become payable on the death of insured person to the nominee or the legal heirs of the deceased policy holders. It means of the whole life policies. Another types of policy, endowment policy. Endowment policy is taken for specific period under this policy. Periods are fixed for endowment policy. The sum insured along with bonus is given on the death of the insured to depends on the expires of the specific periods. The specific periods are fixed: 16 years, 20 years, 24 years, 28 years. The specific periods are fixed. The sum are also insured with bonus is given for death of the insured to depends on the expired of specific periods to the insured. This is the endowment policies. Another policies are term insurance policies. Term insurance policies is taken for a specific period. These also the specific periods are fixed. Whole life policies, the specific periods are not fixed. These policies are the whole life policy, but endowment policies, term insurance policies, specific periods are fixed, terms are fixed. Term insurance policies taken for specific period. Term insurance policy is lowest premium among all insurance policies. Others in endowment policy to compare for here, term insurance policy premium is low. Premium is fixed and does not change during the term of the policy. That premium is always fixed. In case of untimely death, the dependent will receive the benefit among specific in terms of life insurance policy. That is upon for term life insurance policies for 16 years. After 5 years, the policy holders are dead. Then others nominee persons, they depends, they are received the benefit amount specific in term for life insurance agreements. That is the term insurance policies. Another types of policy, annuity policy. Annuity policies, the insured has to pay the premium in lump sum or in installment over a certain period of time. Is the annuity policies that the specific periods are fixed, specific premiums are also fixed here. But here's endowment policy, there is also the premium amount are also fixed. But here's annuity policies, they have paid the premium is lump sum or an installment over a certain period of time. The insured will receive back a specific sum periodically from specific date onward, either for life or for a fixed number of years. It is like pension payment scheme. Annuity policies, they are the like for pension payment scheme. This is the annuity policy. Another types of policy is money back policy. Money back policy provide a regular percentage of the sum. Money back policy. Money back policy or regular percentage of the sum assures during the lifetime of the policy and also guarantee the benefit of full sum insured in events of the death of the insured to the depends on the insured. It means, for example, one policy holders upon for money back policy, that upon for specific periods are 16 years. They have pay premium for quarterly, half yearly, yearly pay for the premiums. And that is also collecting for the benefit for every 4 years they are collect the benefits. 16 years for every 4 years they are the collect for benefits, and there is also collecting bonus, and those terms and conditions are given in this policy. Then this benefit are full sum insured to event of death of the insured on the depends of the insured. Generally the money back policy is available for the term is 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, etc. Another types of policy is a child insurance policy. Child insurance policy is a saving some investment plan that is designed to meet child future financially needs. Child insurance policy give you the advantages to start investing in the children plan right for the time the child are born, and provision to withdraw the saving once the child reach adulthood. Some children's insurance policies allowed intermediate withdrawals at certain intervals. Is the childhood policies. Another types of the policies are retirement plan. Retirement plan, a saving and investment plan that provide insures an income during retirement is called retirement plan. On maturity, this corpus is invested for generating a regular income stream which is referred to as a pension or annuity. This is the retirement plan policies. Another types of policy are ULIP policy. ULIP policy for unit link insurance policy. Unit link insurance policy are very popular as they combine the benefit of life insurance policy with mature fund. Is the unit link insurance policy. Today we are learn types of life insurance policy. First, meaning of life insurance policy and types of life insurance policy. There are the types of life insurance policy. There are the eight types of life insurance policy. First is whole life policies. There are the whole life are secures your whole life policies, benefit are given to nominee. Endowment policies, term insurance policies, annuity policies, money back policy, child insurance policies, retirement plan, unit link insurance policy. These all are the types of life insurance policies. Today we are learned types of life insurance policies. Now assignment questions. Life insurance, write down the meaning of life insurance policy and types of life insurance policy. Thank you.